Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm just going to be doing my everyday makeup look, which is what I have on right now. It's super easy, and keep watching if you want to see how I did it. I already halfway blended it, but I'm using the Makeup Forever foundation, and I'm already primed with the same primer I used in my last video, which was the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I'm just gonna blend down here off camera. Now I'm just gonna take my concealer, and it's the MAC Pro Longwear. Oh, I always put too much, so because it's an everyday like makeup look, I'm not gonna use that much, so I'm just gonna put some there. And I'm just gonna take a little bit over here, just under my eyes, on each side, like that. And I'm going to take the other side of my beauty blender and blend the edges because I don't want no harsh lines. I'm just going to take a little bit of Laura Mercier setting powder, just a little. I'm just going to put it there, under my eyes, bring it a bit down on both sides, and my smile lines because that wasn't a little, but whatever, because they crease a lot, so. And pack it there, and a bit on my forehead too, that's it. So to set the rest of my face, all the excess on here, I'm just gonna wipe it away on the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna wipe this away now, and while I went off camera and I cleaned my eyebrows of any setting powder that went in it, I just used a baby wipe, and now I'm gonna wipe all this off and kind of like blend it into my face that I didn't apply powder in the first place. Now I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with this ColourPop angled brush. Just put it right here. I'm not gonna put as much as I put in like the other video, or like if I'm gonna do more dramatic makeup, because this is just like an everyday quick easy makeup routine that you can do really quickly. I'm just gonna go in with the Kylie highlighter. Not so much, just because it is an everyday look, so I don't want to be too crazy with it, so just a little. I'm just dipping into it very lightly. And then all the excess that's on the brush, I just will take it on my nose. And then over here. That's it. Now I'm just going to take a baby wipe, the same one that I used to clean my eyebrows off. And I'm just going to clean any foundation that got on my lips. I used to have much better eyelashes, but I got eyelash extensions and they just weren't for me. And I kind of pulled them all out and it pulled all my real ones out with it, so that sucks. Now I'm just gonna apply this mascara, and it's the Clarins mascara. It was on clearance when I bought it, so I'm not really like sure of any other details about it. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes off camera, and I'm just gonna set with the NYX, the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. That's all. Normally I would set a lot more if I did like a more dramatic look, but it's just pretty simple, so I just do like 2 to 3 sprays. Okay, so I did my bottom mascara, and now I'm just gonna take my chapstick, and I just have the Blistex. Like, honestly, any chapstick works. Put it on the bottom, the top. It literally just started pouring, and that's it. That's how I get my everyday makeup look. I hope you liked, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.